Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can create an account on Rockstar Social Club. Now to do that, what you need to do is first thing is you need to go and click open a Google browser on your PC or in your laptop and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in www.socialclub.rockstargames.com and press enter. Once you do that, you will be directed to this official web page of it. So basically, Rockstar Games Social Club is a website to connect Rockstar Games release within the internet. It is a very popular website. It has been joined by over 100 million social club members worldwide. It's an online gaming service created by the Rockstar Games for authentication and multiplayer application within their games. It is a free service and you can easily sign up. So for you to sign up, click on sign up over here. For creating new account, you provide your date of birth. First, type in the date over here, type in the year, click on next. Now you need to agree to the terms and condition of here and then click on the checkbox, then click on next. Provide these details, the email, password, nickname and country region. Type in the email address, then type in the password. Then after you provide a nickname for your account, so I'm just gonna go and type in a random name. Then you choose your country region. You will find all the options here and then you choose the one for you. Then click on I would like to receive the early word on Rockstar Games. That is, you will be notified by email for the latest updates, events and others. Click on next over here. As you can see, the nickname has been already taken, so I need to choose a different one. So I'm going to go with the option that's available and click on next. Now you need to verify your email address. For that, you need to go and check your Gmail account where Social Club has sent a code for you to type in on here in the text box for verification. You will have only 30 seconds. So you can see I do not have much time. So I'm going to go Gmail. There's the code. You need to copy this code from here, click on copy and paste it over here on the text box, click on submit, and with that your account has been created. So now you need to fill in the profile info details. Profile visibility, you want everyone to see your profile or not, you choose that. I'm going to go with the friend option, show my friend, show my country, my feed activity, who can see my wall. There's everyone option. I'm just gonna go with the default one over here, my games tab. After all that has been done, you click on continue and there's your account. So this is the way how you can create a Rockstar Social Club. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.